How do you buy real estate here in the Dominican Republic if you are a citizen of the United States or Canada or anybody in general? This is quite a simple task, and in this video we will discuss this question. Right now, currently, I am located in a very beautiful residency where everybody has an opportunity to purchase budget-friendly property. The process concerning the paperwork when you are buying or purchasing real estate here is very simple. The Dominican Republic is open to everybody. There is no difference where are you from, who you are, what is your race, ethnicity, or nationality. Be you from America, Canada, Europe, Finland, Ukraine, Russia, Turkey, it doesn't matter. Any citizen of the world has the right to purchase real estate here in the Dominican Republic. You can purchase an apartment unit here, you can purchase a villa here, you can buy vehicles and transport here, anything. You do not need any special paperwork to do that. You do not need a working visa or a permanent residency. And freely enter into a agreement of purchase here. So how does this whole process start? Well, first of all, you find yourself a property that you are interested in on your own or with the help of a real estate agent, maybe with the help of a notary. Then you go to a attorney and you sign an agreement of purchasing and selling. And for signing over the real estate from the seller's name to your name, and for a fee you pay 3% commission rate. Doesn't matter if it's a villa, a house, an apartment unit, everything is 3%. And the attorney can help you out in other matters. Usually it's either a 1% commission fee or a price that you negotiate with the attorney. Usually it's $1,000, $1,500. Personally, I've had experience with this. The most I've paid for an attorney when we negotiated the price was $2,000. Of course, you have to separately deal with the notary. Now, what does the notary do? He checks the real estate, inspects it, makes sure that everything with the paperwork is all right, that it doesn't have any debts on it, that somebody else isn't leasing it out, and make sure that there aren't any other owners that could fight you for this property. That's about it. This whole deal has several steps to it so that you could reserve this property for yourself, be it an apartment unit or a villa for purchasing. You pay the deposit fee. The unit or property you are interested in is taken off the real estate market. And after that, the day the deal comes through is negotiated for and marked on the calendar. On that day, you pay the full price of the real estate. You sign the paperwork. The attorney fixes up the paperwork and makes sure that you are listed as the owner of the new property that you just purchased. This whole process can take you upwards of a month to a month and a half, 2 months, but that's not a big issue because you are now on the paperwork officially listed as the owner. Procedure is very simple, plus you have to consider the fact that you also have to pay taxes. If your property is valued at more than 8 million pesos, then you pay 1% tax. If your property is worth less than 8 million pesos, which is about 150,000 US dollars, then you pay no tax. And if it's more, then you pay the difference. By that I mean, if let's say your property is worth 10 million, well then you take the 10 million, take away 8 million, and you pay taxes on that 2 million. The difference. And every year you pay 1% on that 2 million as a property tax. And of course, besides that, if you buy an apartment unit in a certain residency or complex, you have to pay a monthly fee for maintenance and for the condominium services. Of course, the prices and the rates depend on which residency you live in, what's the quality of services and accommodations. Some residencies it's $150 per month, and others it's $200 per month. Some have a price tag of $300, and some even have a price tag of $1,000 per month for services and accommodations. This all depends on how much surface area you have in your unit, the residency itself, what accommodations you want and what you don't want. Let's say, for example, you have a penthouse that costs you $600,000 in Samana in the residency of Puerto Bahia. Unit like that will go you for about $1,000 per month in maintenance. All in all, that's it, everybody. I just wanted to share with you guys some nuances. Of course, there is more information and other facts that you have to take into consideration. If you are interested, all my personal information and contacts are in the description below. Consult you guys, help you out, and help you find your dream home. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. This has been Yuri Constantino from the Dominican Republic.